Meet the animals. Episode 1. Great White Shark.
Hello? Wow. Who are you?
I'm a great white shark. I'm one of the biggest fish on Earth.
Where do you live?
Great white sharks live in the ocean. We like to swim in cool water.
Are you dangerous?
We can be very dangerous, but we don't usually attack people. Instead, people often hunt us.
What do you eat?
We eat lots of fish. We also eat sea lions, dolphins, and turtles.
We are great white sharks, eating sea lions every day, also munch on dolphins, hooray! And turtles are a tasty treat.
So you have to hunt for food?
Yes, we're amazing hunters. We can smell our prey from far away.
Your teeth look pretty sharp.
Our teeth are very sharp. We have about 300 of them.
See?
Teeth snap, snap.
Snap? Snap?
Are you fast?
Great white sharks are very fast. Our tails are long and powerful. They help us shoot through the water. Look, there's another shark. Goodbye.
Goodbye, great white shark.